Is your farm running at peak efficiency and safety? This video explores how farm inspection checklists can transform your farm management. Discover how eAuditor turns routine checks into structured, efficient tasks. A farm inspection checklist reviews safety, hygiene, equipment, crops, and animals. It identifies small issues before they escalate. This saves time, money, and effort. Regular audits enhance trust with buyers and partners. Farm audits are essential for maintaining a transparent operation. A comprehensive checklist covers critical areas like farm safety and equipment. Inspect pathways, storage areas, and machinery for safety. Check tractors and irrigation systems for wear and leaks. Healthy crops require monitoring for pests and irrigation levels. Each area is vital for farm productivity. Livestock welfare includes checking, feeding schedules, and shelter. Storage units for grains and chemicals need proper labeling. Hygiene reduces contamination risks, focusing on washing stations. Proper space and clean water are essential for healthy animals. Ventilation in storage areas is crucial. eAuditor replaces paper checklists with a digital-first approach. Use ready-made templates to start inspections instantly. Capture photos and assign tasks on the go. Generate clear reports in minutes. Customize checklists to fit your farm's unique operations. eAuditor offers free templates for various farm inspections. Regular inspections, even during busy seasons, are crucial. Keep checklists short, clear, and updated. Train your team to act quickly on identified issues. Avoid common mistakes like ignoring small problems. Regular farm inspections ensure every detail is addressed. eAuditor makes inspections efficient and stress-free. With customized checklists, your farm can achieve optimal safety and productivity.